When fragrance production scales, consistency becomes non-negotiable. And that's exactly where a 20-liter Jerrycan Fragrance Filling Line with capping, labeling, and palletizing proves its value. Years on active factory floors show that fragrance liquids demand more than speed. They require precise weight-based filling, vapor-controlled nozzles, and stable automation to protect formulation integrity and eliminate costly product loss. This line performs as a single, synchronized system. High-accuracy load cell filling for tight weight control. Servo-driven capping to maintain seal integrity and reduce evaporation. Automated labeling with vision inspection for compliance and brand confidence. Robotic palletizing to remove manual handling and stabilize throughput. In real operations, the impact is immediate. Cleaner production zones, safer operators, fewer rejects, and measurable reductions in giveaway. Key drivers behind today's lean, sustainable fragrance manufacturing. For producers ready to scale without compromising quality, safety, or margins, this fully integrated 20-liter Jerrycan filling solution delivers reliable performance built for continuous production.